Do you like the car, Hulyan?
Yeah. Okay. It's
Switch it on, boy.
Okay, switching.
No, get the car. Under the chassis, there's a switch.
Wow, this isn't that heavy.
It's light, huh?
Yeah. Because it's small. Let's see how fast I can go first.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
I am ready.
Ready and okay. Whoa! That's fast.
Not bad.
And it drifts.
Yeah. A Toyota Supra RC. Ooh, nice drift.
It's fast.
Ooh.
It's fast, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Woo! Nice drifting skills. Ha, yeah. Woo! How do you do that?
I just do this and then I just go backwards and then steer the other way.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah. I just have to go faster. I'm so good, right?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
I have a nice drift.
Nice drifting skills. Woo!
I'm so good at this, right?
It's a Japanese car, Hulyan. Toyota Supra.
I'm good, right?
Yeah, you are. You're a good driver,
Yeah.
but you hit those two bowling pins.
I know. Yeah, but there's two that fall off.
Yeah, you hit one bowling pin, and that bowling pin hit the other one. Nice. Yeah.
Ah. Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Maybe I'll bowl it with the car.
Oh, you want to hit those bowling pins?
Yeah, with the car.
Cool.
This gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome for sure.
Okay, we just need some bowling pins to bowl over, and then let's see how good it can bowling. Do that. Then here. And then
Good enough, Hulyan.
bowling with all of them.
What, Hulyan?
I think I can bowl all of them. We have lots of bowling pins in the house now.
I know, huh? Tell me about it.
This is lots of bowling pins in the house.
Yeah.
I think I can bowl them all down.
So where are you going to start?
Okay, you ready? Steady.
There?
Okay.
Wow, it's going to be awesome.
Okay. I just need to go to the front so I can hit some.
Yeah! Kabuba, kabuba.
Only 4 left.
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
One more.
Booga!
Yeah, awesome, Hulyan.
Wow!
Good job. Woohoo!
Good.
Hey, can you do a 360 spin?
Okay. Whoa. No, I don't think we have enough space.
Not enough space here?
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
If the steer is faster, then it can do that.
Oh, okay.
Ah! I driving skill.
Yeah. That was so awesome, Hulyan. You hit all of those bowling pins.
Yeah.
You knocked them down, all of them. Woohoo!
I'm so good at this. Right?
Yeah.
Boomer.
Nice. Toyota Supra.
Yeah. And I'm so good. Hey, look at this. I think I can.
What?
I did it.
Are you a tunnel? A human tunnel?
Wow.
Drift.
Get a drift. Baba, I did it faster.
Woo!
Baba,
Nice.
Get it.
Yeah.
So good, right? I'm so good at the drifting, right?
Yeah, you are.
Whoa. Maybe I can bowl this thing.
Another monster toy?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Make a king Adora.
Yeah!
With one swoop.
Yeah, just one run.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Good, right?
Yeah. Woo! Drift. Woo! Yeah! Awesome.
I'm so good at this, right?
Yeah. Wow. This car is so awesome. Woohoo! Yeah. Hello folks, how are you guys doing today? As you can see, we have two RC cars here in white. Yep, two white RC cars. This one here is a 1/10 scale Lamborghini Aventador LP 700. Nice. Now this one here is a classic car, Toyota Supra. Made by Jada RC. Exotic Tuner Edition. Hypercharger RC. Yeah. All batteries included. Built-in USB rechargeable battery. How cool is that? Haha. So tell me, which one should we unbox? The Supra or the Lamborghini? Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, let's unbox the Supra. Toyota Supra. Hyperchargers. Radio control. Okay. Nice rims. Nice wheels. And there's the controller. Okay. The back of the box. Okay. Jada charging ecosystem. Charge with any device with USB ports. Built-in non-removable rechargeable battery. Built-in USB charging cable. Okay. Look for the other vehicle. Scion FRS. Cool. Okay, the side of the box. The other side. Oh yeah. Look for these other vehicles. Nice. The bottom part of the box. Okay, two AA batteries for the controller. And yes, the batteries are included. Okay, unboxing time! Okay. Yeah. Toyota Supra. Look at those gold rims. Cool, huh? Are those gold or bronze? Yeah. Okay, features. Up to 25 minutes playtime. 90 minutes quick charge. Full function RC. Custom rims and graphics. Okay. Okay, the car is unboxed. And the controller. Nice. A classic Toyota Supra. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome rims. Awesome set of wheels. And the bottom part. Nice. Rubber tires. Yep. Rubber tires. The USB cable. Okay. The switch. Nice. Wow. Those are monsters. Cool looking monsters though. Hey, what's the name of that big one?
Geigen?
Geigen?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, the cans.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, those look sharp. And what are their names, Hulyan?
Oh, Geigen.
Geigen.
Space Godzilla.
Space Godzilla.
Mecha Godzilla. Godzilla. And King Ghidorah.
Wow. So who is the strongest?
Godzilla.
The Space Godzilla?
No, Godzilla, because he wins all the time.
He wins all the time.
Yeah.
I see. I like Geigen. Wow, that's a big action figure. Tall, huh?
Yeah. And only one leg, only one eye, you see?
Oh. Just one eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a big one.
Can you move the body parts? The head?
Yeah.
The arms?
I can move the arms and head.
Oh,
I can also
cool.
move the hooks.
Oh, yeah. How about the tail?
Yeah, the tail for a little bit.
Okay.
Because of the armor.
Oh, that's cool. The tail has an armor. How about the legs?
The legs, yeah.
Awesome. Nice. Space Godzilla. Cool.
And then the super, and this is the super Geigen mode, and the other body does some armor, and this mode, he can have chainsaws.
Chainsaw hands?
Yeah. And
Wow.
he has a buzzsaw on his stomach.
A what?
A buzzsaw.
Oh,
It's kind of like a chainsaw.
I see. Those are sharp spikes.
Yeah.
Huh? Awesome. Whoa. How come this is called Space Godzilla?
Because he was floating in space.
I see.
And then he went to Japanese town.
He went to a Japanese town?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he exploded everything. Whoa. Oh, wait.
So, did he destroy the city?
I don't know, but there was another monster. And, I mean, he was a mecha made from the humans. And he was a giant robot mecha. And he fighted Space Godzilla.
I see. So, who won?
I don't know, because I didn't watch any of the movies.
Ah, okay. Nice. Yeah! Kabuba, kabuba!
Only 4 left.
Yeah!
Yeah!
One more.
Sugar.
Yeah, awesome, Hulyan.
Love.
Good job. Woohoo!
Good.
Hey, can you do a 360 spin?
Okay.